Hello everyone. I'm not going to be able to see your comments today because I've got the phones turned around so y'all can read what I'm going to be working on. Because, hang on just a second. I want y'all to be able to read what I'm working on. Be Still and Know is the transfer I'm going to be using, and that's the name of the chalk transfer. And then working on our sign. It is the standing sign. It's about approximately 5 by 7 inches. You can do so much with this. I'm trying to get it pulled up on my computer, so maybe I can see some. I can at least see the ones on my page, but I will go back and read the comments. But again, the wood sign, it's called standing sign. It's about 5 by 7 inches, and you can see this transfer it's like perfect for it. We were going through some of the transfers and stuff, trying to figure out what to put on it, and we were like, oh my gosh, it's even shaped just like it. I hope everybody's having a great day. I hope everybody is having a sunny day. I'm glad to see the sun, but from what I understand, it's supposed to rain again tonight. And y'all, hey Connie, the word today is still, S-T-I-L-L, like on the transfer, be still. And anyhow, y'all, it is so bad. The flooding is so bad here. We've got, I think, 3 rivers surrounding our town. They've all come out. I think the Forked, I think it has crested, so it's starting to go back down, which is good because people in the area we call Southtown, hopefully the water's going to start going down for them. But between the storms and the flooding, it is an absolute mess here in our area. I hope y'all are not dealing with those same things. I hope y'all aren't flooded. But we've got several communities here in our town. And I'm starting by just, I almost said waxing, staining the background. And this is gel stain. I think I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, 69 cents. The color's walnut. But it works wonderfully. And I love it because it's like a true brown. It doesn't have any like orange hues or anything. It's just a great brown. I don't know if y'all have trouble finding a good brown. I sometimes do. But I tend to go for a walnut, and it's just a great color. I'll show y'all. There we go. It's so strange not being able to see what I'm doing. I hope y'all are able to see. Once I go back and, hey Mom's watching. Look, I'll know what I need to adjust or don't do again. But I miss being able to just turn the camera the right way, because it's nice to be able to make sure I'm holding it upright and you can see. Also, it's been chilly here since it stormed. It blew in some cold weather. And I'm just gonna run the dryer a little bit just to make sure, because I don't want to mess up the transfer, because these are reusable. And I cannot wait to go back and read y'all's comments. I'm ready for the rain to go away. I've even got Stella singing it. Oh my goodness. And one of her me mama, they had quite a bit of damage. The tornado we had here, it looked like it went right over their house. They have a detached garage and a huge tree. They live in an older neighborhood, so the trees are like humongous. that it fell on their detached garage and had hers and Granddaddy's car trapped in there. So somebody with a backhoe or something came and lifted it, so they were able to get them out. Now they have to get all of that damage fixed. Let's see here. Oh, what have I done? Oh yeah, and don't forget the key word is still. And look, y'all, it's a stand. It comes with a stand, so you just place it right in there, and there you go. I'm going to wax this. I don't know that you, I mean, I know if I paint, I really need to wax it so that it doesn't get stuck to the transfer, because like I said before, I do not want to mess up my transfer, because I'm going to be using this on more than just this one little sign. And look, it doesn't change the color or anything. It just gives a slight sheen. Very slight. It's still pretty matte. I like flat matte. Hey Vivian, thanks so much for watching. I can only see a few comments on my page because I've got the phones turned around. So anyhow, I hope y'all are having a great day. The key word is still. If you're just hopping on, S-T-I-L-L. And what I'm using is our wood cutout standing sign. It's about 5 by 7 inches. It just fits right down into the stand. And be still and no chalk transfer. I'm going to fuzz this. That just helps take some of the sticky off, but it doesn't mess up your transfer. Y'all have to let me know, did y'all have storms this past weekend like we did? It was like, I think we were like under watches for like 80 hours total. Okay, and I'm just going to place the transfer. I'm just going to get it centered up as much as possible. I don't worry about perfection. Y'all know me. I forgot to introduce myself. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Jeannie, and I have a Facebook page as well, just Jeannie. But there's what your transfer is going to look like. And I'm using 3 different chalk pastes. I'm using Sunny Side, Orange Peel, and Guava. These are some fun colors, but I thought I wanted something bright because it's like the sun. Anyhow, I'm going to try this. Mom is very good at this. I am not the best, but I'm going to give it my best. I'm going to start with the yellow. What's it did I say this one's called? Sunny Side. Isn't that a great? I love the name. I'm just going to try to make sure I get everywhere with it. And then, no, I want to use orange next. Orange Peel. I kind of had these laid out like I wanted to use them. I'm not real good at this. I've been trying to practice so that I get better, but Mom is definitely the professional when it comes to doing multiple colors. I'm a wild card. I might be able to do it, I might not, but I'm going to try. And I did get a little bit on my wood, but that's okay. I can come back and fix that. And then I'm just going to take my fingers and kind of mix in the colors right where they meet. There we go. So that it's a good flow. I'll just use this rag. Y'all let me know if still is working. Okay. Oh, let me see. I want to mix that in a little better. There we go. Let's see. Let me see. Oh, yeah. And I did get some, like I said, I made some messes. It's all right. I may have to wet that down after I get off here and try to clean it up a little bit better. Let me see. But look, y'all, if you make messes, look, I'm just wiping that off. And then I think I'm going to come back with a little bit more of the gel stain, because it did wipe up a little bit of my stain. It's fun. Do y'all ever make little mess ups? I just need a little bit right here on the side. Look, I'm a good example because I can show you how to mess it up and how to fix it. Y'all, look, I got another little bit right down here. There we go. Look at there. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the blended effect. Hold on, let me get this dry so that when I, because you know I'm going to touch it again and mess, I'm likely to mess it up. While I'm drying this, I'm just going to be sitting my lids back on here because you don't want your chalk paste to dry out. These colors are gorgeous together. And this is such a simple project. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Because we all know, okay, it does look like steel is working. Hey, Lynn. I'm not able to see your comments, but I will go back and look. Y'all, so y'all tell me some good stories going on in your life. Schools have been out here. They were out yesterday. They were out day before yesterday because there's just so much flooding that buses aren't able to get. So many families are displaced. There's a lot of people, if they have campers, they're staying at our camp, not our camp, we don't have a campground. They're staying at our fairgrounds. The fairgrounds has opened up to let them be able to bring their RVs and campers and stay. We've got churches here that have cots out full of people. I went to do my grocery pickup yesterday. I try not to go in stores because, you know, I always buy too much when I go in, and if I don't have to go in with the kids, that's just even better. Because that'll get you in trouble too, taking kids in Walmart. Anyhow, the young man that brought my, I sound so professional and I'm not professional. The guy that brought my groceries out yesterday, he was the most friendly, happy. It was great. It was wonderful talking to him, but he is one of the families that had to evacuate their home. We've got like our rescue squads and even just people with boats that are going into these areas that are flooded and helping people get out. It's so scary because the backwater comes in fast. And if you've never dealt with it, you don't really realize just how fast and how bad it does get. I'm going to hold this up. Hopefully y'all are able to see how great these colors blended together. They're beautiful. And like I said, if you type in today's word, which is still, you will get a link sent to your messenger with all the supplies I've used. The stand, and like I said, this is approximately 5 by 7. And I don't know what size. Like I said, I don't sell the chalk couture, so I don't know like the lingo, like the size ABC size transfer, but it's perfect. And I love that this sign is arched and so is the transfer. It was meant to be. This was a match meant to be. I hope y'all love it. Hey, Rebecca. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. I sure appreciate that. I cannot wait to go back and read the comments because I'm missing seeing them. I've got my computer, so I'm able to see some of the ones that are coming in. But I can't wait to go back and see what everybody had to say. Thank y'all. Please be sure to sprinkle, share. We appreciate that. That helps get that helps get us out for people who might not know about us but might enjoy the crafts we do. And y'all, y'all saw how fast this was. And if I wasn't talking, it could have been like a 2 or 3 minute deal. Y'all, if you've had bad weather, bad storms, flooding, tornado damage, y'all are in my prayers. Y'all be sure and keep our community in your prayers because we've got a lot of families displaced by the flooding. Maybe some, I know, me, Mama, and Granddaddy, they ended up having to go to a hotel for the weekend because the electric company couldn't get in to fix their power because that giant tree was on all the lines. So they had to wait till the tree was off to get them power. So they had to go to a hotel. It's just been a terrible mess, but we're moving on. We'll come together. We've got the Red Cross, and I know I saw like some, I don't know, maybe National Guard yesterday down in one of our communities filling sandbags so people could try to sandbag and keep as much water out as possible. But I hope y'all enjoyed the craft today. Be sure and let me know. The word is still, S-T-I-L-L. If you type that in the comments, be sure and check your messenger because you'll get a link to all the products I used. Y'all have a great rest of the day. Thanks for watching.